Pandesal. Good morning, Nanay Bes, mga kananay Bes. Mag-almusal tayo ng pandesal. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy blessed Sunday to everyone around the world. Ayan, nakaluto na kami ni Ate Ami ng kanyang special pandesal. Ang sarap at saka ang init. Sobrang init. Enjoy watching sa aming pandesal. Yummy, yummy. Yan.